Africa is a new hotspot for cryptocurrency scams and money laundering. The continent's crypto sector is still relatively small, but fraudsters and cyber criminals have plenty of options. Africa is the world's smallest cryptocurrency industry, but the market is expanding steadily. The legal use of cryptocurrencies has the potential to enhance commerce on the African continent, particularly among people, small enterprises, and entrepreneurs. These were the users who were responsible for the most of the recent rises in crypto transfers in Nigeria, South Africa, and Kenya. However, Africa must be prepared for the hazards that digital currencies bring, specifically crypto frauds, organized crime, and financial crimes such as money laundering or crypto laundering. Mirror Trading International committed the world's largest cryptocurrency scam in 2020 in South Africa. Hundreds of thousands of victims were duped out of $588 million in Bitcoin through a Ponzi scheme. South Africa was in the news again in April 2021, this time for an even bigger crypto theft, this time by a business named AfriCrypt, whose two founders took $3.6 billion from investors in a couple of hours. Cryptocurrencies, made famous by Bitcoin, the first to be established in 2009, are tokens or coins that represent virtual or digital money. They are used to buy products and services and have grown in popularity as investment vehicles. Cryptocrime occurs when criminals use ransomware, fraud, hacking, and theft to take crypto or funds invested in digital currencies. According to Chainalysis's most recent crypto crime report, Russia, China, the United States, the United Kingdom, France, Ukraine, South Korea, Vietnam, Turkey, and South Africa receive the most crypto cash from illegitimate addresses. The only African country cited in the Chainalysis report was South Africa. So far, the two most common types of crypto crime in Africa have been ransomware attacks and crypto frauds. Cryptocurrencies are uncontrolled and decentralized. Unlike the dollar or the rand, no central bank oversees their value, which is determined by what users are prepared to pay per unit. Blockchain technology facilitates, records, and preserves all online transactions and is built on strong encryption to ensure the security of each transaction. The total number of cryptocurrencies on the global market has risen to approximately 4,921. Bitcoin currently has the highest value, selling around $60,000 per coin. These currencies are enticing to criminal syndicates due to their worldwide reach and speed of transaction. And, in most situations, people can transfer and receive money without exposing their true identities. Users of Bitcoin can now be linked back to the email addresses used to create the account, but many other cryptocurrencies have not filled this loophole, allowing users ultimate anonymity. Cryptocurrencies are the primary method of payment for a variety of cyber attacks that target computer systems, such as ransomware attacks or purchasing illicit weapons or forged identity documents on the dark web. And, as Interpol points out, their introduction has aggravated financial crimes such as money laundering. Cryptocurrencies are preferred by cybercriminals over fiat currency for the purpose of laundering unlawfully obtained funds. Crypto laundering, or money laundering in cyberspace, is substantially less expensive, costing roughly 15% of the proceeds compared to around 50% utilizing traditional money laundering methods. Money laundering entails the placement, stacking, and integration of criminal proceeds. Criminals purchase crypto with actual currency to permit the placement of ill-gotten gains. This should be the most dangerous step for them, yet many cryptocurrency services fail to implement the essential anti-money laundering safeguards. Websites on the dark web add another layer of anonymity for thieves wanting to hide their money. Crypto services are used to perform several transactions during the layering phase of money laundering. They even convert payments from one cryptocurrency to another at times. The goal is to separate the final proceeds from the initial investment. Despite the fact that the blockchain records every crypto transaction, Criminals utilize cryptocurrency tumbler or mixer services to hide the trail on the blockchain. The ultimate stage of laundering is integration, in which filthy money is returned to the criminal once the source of the original funds is no longer traceable. Criminals send clean digital monies to cryptocurrency service companies that specialize in laundering or have lax compliance standards. After that, the crypto monies are transformed into conventional cash. Despite the fact that Africa's crypto sector is still modest, the issue of crypto laundering cannot be overlooked. Between July 2019 and June 2020, cryptocurrency transactions increased across the continent, with $8 billion in cryptocurrency received and $8.1 billion sent. Kenya, South Africa, Nigeria, Ghana, Morocco, and Egypt are the African countries with the largest use of cryptocurrency. Currently, the majority of cryptocurrency transfers to and from Africa are remittances and genuine business transactions. Because of the proclivity of local currencies to hyperinflation, the high prevalence of internet access, an increasing youth population, and the widespread use of mobile money markets, the use of cryptos is increasing. These are the same factors that make cryptocurrency appealing to organized crime syndicates looking to launder their illicit gains. The first step for African countries is to guarantee that cryptocurrency service providers examine and reduce their money laundering risks, as well as that global and national anti-money laundering legislation are implemented. These include, among other things, client due diligence, suspicious transaction reporting, and record keeping. Crypto companies should collaborate with law enforcement to report suspicious activity for further investigation. Police training and capacity building in recording and detecting crypto crime is critical. Interpol might provide this service with the assistance of skilled blockchain forensic businesses, such as Project Titanium in Europe. The growth of cryptocurrency exchanges in Africa, along with a burgeoning digital skills pool and transnational organized crime networks, creates the ideal environment for crypto laundering to thrive. The issue must be addressed immediately in order to avoid Africa from becoming the next hotspot for cybercriminals. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video. Please let us know your opinion in the comments area below. If you found our content useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto-related contents.